YouTube. Today, you know, hey, we're gonna be out here trying to catch some bass, obviously. You know, it's been very cold, very cold, man. Very cold out here. Today we got a 62 day out of nowhere, so I thought, why not try to come out here and catch a couple fish, man. If you end up seeing this video, that means I obviously caught a couple fish or even just one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this to a friend, family members, anybody you know that like fishing. I appreciate all the support. Keep supporting and loving the content. I will keep dropping. Have a good day. Let's get to it. It's been a while since I've been fishing, probably about, about to be February. It's been at least a couple months since I fished. Today is January 29th. So we're lucky to get a pretty decent weather day today. It's just this wind. I didn't know it was gonna be this windy. I can't even move. Start on this little flat over here first. One of the little shallow sides. Warm weather could be affecting that water faster. It's hard to see out in that deeper water. Fish can still be charging physically. Never. Erva. I got a big ass bass. Big one. Big ass bass, bro. Let that drag loose. Oh my God. Yo. Oh yes, sir. He caught it. My boy Josh caught it. Hold on. My boy caught it today. He said, go get that big one. And what we do, first one, bruh, of the day. Oh my gosh. Yo. Thank you, God. What the hell? This like a tip, yo. See, this is why you listen to that inner gut feeling that tell you to go fishing when you wasn't even thinking about it, bro. Hold on. Y'all, look at this fucking bass. Look at this bass, y'all. Look at the mouth. Just because I know y'all can't see how big it actually is. Look at this. My fist easily fits in this fish's mouth. Hold on. What the fuck? What the fuck, yo? What the fuck? Yo, my fucking heart is racing. Oh my gosh. I want to hurry up and get him back. Look at this fish. Look what we did. This is the fish. Same size. It's longer than my forearm, bro. Look how long this fish is. Look how fat it is, bro. Let's get her back in there. Thanks for watching the video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. I know it was a short video, but guess what? We'll be out here another day. We achieved this day by just catching that one fish, honestly, so can't ask for too much more than that. Continue to support the channel. We've been growing a lot still, even though I ain't been posting really because of this cold weather, but sooner or later we will be back and consistent. It'll be warm no time. Warm in no time, I mean. Got probably like another month, not even that really, since we're seeing this heat wave come through right now, even though it's very windy, but we'll get that fishing weather that we need, y'all. Continue to stay warm, stay safe. Tell your family members you love them. You never know how long you got your family members here, man. Enjoy every moment with your family and your loved ones you can. Don't ever take anything for granted, man. Continue to stay blessed. Hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Bye. Also, one more thing, man. I got to say, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Also, share the video, send it to a friend, 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 to a friend. Send it to anybody you know who just like fishing content in general, man. Will help the channel out a lot. Thank you. Now we out of here.